This video explains the changes between version 7 and version 8 of the Circle mobile app. To determine if you have version 8 or higher of the mobile app, open the Circle mobile app, go to the About screen, verify you are on version 8 or higher. If not, you must download the latest version of the app. The load confirmation screen changes are as follows. First, the Accept This Manifest button now says Confirm Manifest. It is important to confirm the manifest because it tells dispatch you have received all the load information. Second, the upload paperwork icon has changed from a box with an arrow to a cloud with an arrow. This new icon appears on all screens. Third, the quick events icon will now be part of a drop-down menu. The new menu will be explained shortly. This new drop-down menu appears on all screens. Fourth, some of the text will be in smaller font and move to the right of the screen to get more information on the screens. This is true of all screens. The new drop-down menu can be accessed on all screens and has four main functions. First, add a trip note to send to dispatch. Second, upload a document to dispatch, which is the same as clicking the icon of the cloud with an arrow. Third, trailer hook or unhook, which only applies if you have the hook unhook trailer feature activated. Fourth, quick events. These can send dispatch quick information like pre-trip inspection report, arriving or departing an international border, special agricultural inspection, or hand carry events associated with air freight. On the main screen, the next trip event to perform for the trip has two active clickable areas. It is still available at the top of the screen, but a new green button appears in the middle of the screen to make the task easier. When doing a confirm arrival, there are two clickable areas. The confirm arrival is still available at the top of the screen, but a new green button appears in the middle of the screen to make the task easier. The pins on the map will have a different appearance. One pin will show your last known position, and the other pin will show your stop location. Ideally, they should be very close together. If not, you might be at the wrong location for the stop. The new Confirm Loaded screen has two active clickable areas. Confirm Loaded is still available at the top of the screen, but a new green button appears in the middle of the screen to make the task easier. The Confirm Delivered screen has several changes. First, the Confirm Delivered has two active clickable areas. Confirm Delivered is still available at the top of the screen, but a new green button appears in the middle of the screen to make the task easier. Second, the proof of delivery is where you would type the name of the person signing the freight. And third, the signature capture has changed from an icon to a clickable box called Get Signature. You still capture the signature of the consignee the same way, but the Done button is now replaced with a clickable box called Confirm. If you have any questions about the new version of the mobile app, please contact your dispatch office. Here is a quick interactive example on accepting and then completing a trip using version 8 of the mobile app. A new load has been offered to you, so you need to accept the manifest. Click the Confirm Manifest button and then say Yes. This will let dispatch know you have received all the load information. At this point, you should review all the load information, including the stop, trip notes, and any order attributes. If stop notes exist, there will be a number beside the stop. Drilling into the stop will show you the trip notes at the bottom of the stop. When doing an arrive, click the Arrive button. Check that you're at the correct location by looking at the map at the top of the screen. One pin will show your current location, the other pin will show the location of the stop. Below the map, it will show the distance between you and the location. Verify you are at the correct location. When the data is correct, click the Confirm Arrive button, which will let dispatch know you have arrived. When doing a loaded event, click the Load button. If the bill of lading number is already entered, verify the number with the paperwork you have in hand and correct as necessary. Otherwise, enter the bill of lading number. Enter the piece count as it appears on the bill of lading. Compare it to what you are expected to load. Enter the total weight as appears on the bill of lading. Compare it to what you are expected to load. You can optionally send a note to dispatch to explain any variances in the pieces and weight. When the data is correct, click the link Confirm Loaded button, which will let dispatch know that you have loaded the freight. When doing the delivered event, click the Deliver button. Type the name of the person accepting the freight into the proof of delivery slot. Click the Get Signature box to open the screen to get the consignee signature. Hand the device to the consignee to have them sign the screen with their finger. Click the Confirm button to accept the signature. You can optionally send a note to dispatch to explain any variance or other information. When the date is correct, click the Confirm Delivered button, which will let dispatch know you have delivered the freight. Your manifest may have multiple pickup and/or deliveries, so do the arrive, load, and deliver function for each stop on the manifest as they occur. This video explained the changes between version 7 and version 8 of the Circle mobile app.